Provide an example that best demonstrates your ability to prioritize your work and the work of others. With a lot of new team members joining the Milwaukee team, we needed a weekly priorities email that would easily outline the priorities of each account for each one of our team members. Therefore, I wanted to create a weekly priorities email that I could send out at the beginning of each week that would outline the key priorities within each one of our accounts, a snapshot of how we were performing within the current season, as well as a Yammer picture of the week. I started by having a conversation with District Manager Josiah to see what we would like included within this email. I then created a template that would allow each account's weekly priorities to be entered in, as well as including a snapshot of how we are performing within the current season and the key pack types. I also included a page where we have a Yammer picture of the week, really showing some great pictures that our team is sharing on Yammer. I then coordinated a call with each account advocate to include them on this weekly priorities email as well. Each of them is to send me their weekly priorities for their account at the end of each week so I can include it in the email that is sent out to the team at the beginning of the new week. With this new weekly priorities email, our team is really able to go into each account and focus in on the key priorities that are going to ensure we win. We also are able to see the pack types that are helping us during the holiday season, as well as the pack types that maybe we need to continue to work on to drive our business. And the Yammer picture of the week allows our team to see great Yammer activity from our team, as well as use those pictures and slideshows with their KDMs.